Hey, what's up guys, Uncle Winston here, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Gigabyte X870E AORUS Pro X3D ICE motherboard. So what we have here is the Gigabyte X870E AORUS Pro X3D ICE motherboard. It's the latest lineup of refreshed AM5 motherboards with a larger 64MB BIOS that can support the latest AMD X3D processors and future CPU upgrades. Using AMD's X870E chipset is designed for enthusiasts and high-end users and supports EXPO memory modules with speeds of up to DDR5-9000. It comes in an all-white aesthetic and features a powerful 18+2+2 digital VRM design on an 8-layer 2x copper server-grade PCB for superb stability and durability. For cooling, you get the VRM Thermal Armor Advanced with large heat sinks and a solid metal backplate. And it even comes with the DDR wind blade cooling fan to cool your RAM. Gigabyte have also included their innovative X3D Turbo Mode 2, which allows one-click acceleration to boost your performance by up to 25%. Expansion slots include one PCIe 5x16 UD slot with a PCIe Easy Latch Plus, one PCIe 4x16 slot, and one PCIe 3x16 slot. There's also one PCIe power connector for extra peripherals. For storage, you get 4 SATA ports, two PCIe Gen 5 M.2 slot with the Easy Latch and Easy Click, also the M.2 Easy Flex, and also two PCIe Gen 4 M.2 slots. There's also plenty of connectivity with 20 USB ports, 12 rear and 8 front. On the rear I/O panel, you have quick access buttons for power, reset, Q-Flash and CMOS. There's also two USB-C 10GB ports, a 5GB LAN, two USB 4 ports and Wi-Fi 7 support. We'll be testing this motherboard using an AMD Ryzen 9 9950X along with 48GB of DDR5-9000 RAM. We'll also be using a GeForce RTX 4080 Super to see how it performs. So let's not waste any time, put this into our test rig, but before we do that, a quick word from our sponsors. We'll see you in a bit. This video was made possible thanks to Flex Studios, the developer of Rig Builder by Funkykit. So picture this, you've just learned how to build a PC after months of research, and you're ready to build your dream PC based on the budget that you have in mind. So where do you begin? Choosing the right parts for your PC build can be really daunting, especially when there's hundreds of brands and numerous models out there. And this is where Rig Builder comes in. It's our system configurator developed by Flex Studios, giving you the best prices from Amazon. One of the most attractive features of Rig Builder is that you don't need to specifically know the exact brand or model of those PC parts. With Rig Builder, all you need is 3 criteria: the budget you have in mind, your preferred CPU, and your preferred graphics card. Once you've entered your preferences and hit the submit button, Rig Builder will then go to Amazon to compile a list of 5 products from each category that will best match your criteria. You can now select an item from that list, and once you're happy with that choice, hit the Buy All button, where it will take you to a summary page of all the items you've selected. And when you're ready to buy, just add the cart to proceed to the Amazon checkout. I know, you don't have to buy from Amazon, but at least to give you an idea of what you can get based on your budget. You can give Rig Builder a try at funkykit.com/rigbuilder. We hope Rig Builder will make the process of buying PC parts much easier. It's free to use and is available in all countries where Amazon is supported. Thanks for listening, and now back to the video. AMD's Ryzen 9000 series of X3D processors are becoming hugely popular. It's regarded as one of the fastest gaming processors ever, offering excellent performance and the best bang for your buck. This is great news. However, although previous models of the B850, X870 and the X870E motherboards were compatible with these new processors, they weren't fully optimized for it. To address this issue, we're now seeing a whole line of refreshed AM5 motherboards being released from manufacturers that not only supports the new Ryzen 9000 series of X3D processors, but also include new added features such as USB 4, Wi-Fi 7 and 5 GB LAN connectivity. The new X870E AORUS Pro X3D ICE from Gigabyte is one of their latest lineup of refreshed AM5 motherboards featuring a larger 64MB BIOS that can support current and future CPUs, including of course the new Ryzen 9000 series X3D processors. Feature-wise, this motherboard is absolutely packed with some great features, far too many to list, but I do want to point out Gigabyte's innovative X3D Turbo Mode 2, which allows users to activate one-click acceleration to enhance performance by up to 25%. During our tests, we used the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X along with 48GB of DDR5-9000 RAM, a 2TB PCI Gen 5 SSD and a GeForce RTX 4080 Super. We managed to get some excellent scores in all of our benchmarks. For Cinebench 2024 tests, we got a score of 2,236 points for multi-core and 127 points for single-core. For PC Mark 10, we got excellent scores of 11,209 and a score of 17,110 for PassMark 11. We also got a Geekbench score of 3,218, which is pretty decent. For Procyon Video Editing Benchmark, we got an impressive score of 55,665 and a score of 218 for the AI Computer Vision Benchmark. For 3D Mark Steel Nomad and Speedway, we got nice scores of 6,517 and 7,454 respectively. And finally, for Port Royal and TimeSpy, we got good scores of 18,235 and 24,877 respectively. So all in all, I'm very pleased with the overall performance. If you're planning to build a high-end enthusiast-grade PC with AMD's latest Ryzen 9000 series X3D processors, then the Gigabyte X870E AORUS Pro X3D ICE motherboard has it all. It excels in both features and performance with great aesthetics. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com.
And there you have it. That was a quick look at the Gigabyte X870 AORUS Pro X3D ICE motherboard. If you're planning to build a high-end enthusiast-grade PC using AMD's latest Ryzen X3D processors, then the Gigabyte X870 AORUS Pro X3D ICE motherboard has it all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Uncle Winston for Funkykit.com.